Oh, this is stupid. Hey guys, this is DragoNate, and welcome back to another stupid compilation of weird noises that I made. What the heck is this? What is going on here? I don't even know what that is. I don't care. So we're just gonna listen. There's not gonna be any video to go with it. So you might as well just close your eyes and listen, or you're gonna be looking at this for the next 20 seconds. So please enjoy. And oh no, please. Okay, good. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh no, oh hey. Awesome. Itch. Okay, well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more stupidity like this, please click the link in the description below to take you to the playlist that I made with a bunch of other stupidity and randomness. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a like and comment down below. And I will see you in the next video. God bless.